Hey guys, my name is Juan and we're here at J-Tech, and today I'll be showing you how to stick weld. So before you get started with stick welding, first you want to make sure you have your proper equipment. You always want to have a helmet. You know, having long sleeves helps. We don't have to have long sleeves, but it does help a lot. We have our gloves here. These are mandatory or else it's gonna hurt. So as you can come over here and look, we have our rods. And this is basically, this is what gets heated up, and this is what's gonna make the weld. You have your hammer for after, once you make your weld, you can clean it up a little bit. And we have this whole piece of metal, and we're just gonna make a weld straight on across. So, you can see, this is how you set it up. Put her in right there. You know, you want to feel comfortable. So, you know, before you start welding, make sure you're comfortable. You know, see how you're going to do it. Make sure you're all good. I'm going to show you guys like that. So you can see our machine over here. This is on 120. Normally between 105 to 120 you're good. We're going to leave it on 120. So, let's start. Eyes. So first, to heat her up, you're gonna want to strike it, and then you can just